Thank you, see ya. Welcome back to another episode of Sam's Fishing. On today's episode, we're up here at Tinaroo, chasing the Barramundi. We got Ash Krishna down there at the boat. He's showing me a few spots. I haven't fished Tinaroo before. So yeah, I think we're just using vibes today. And yeah, he's going to show me a few spots and how to fish for them. So some of the footage, I'll probably have it on the bottom of the boat, just looking up at me. Ash is a bit secret on his spots, so yeah, we'll keep a few spots hidden. But if we're just fishing around, I'll video the whole lot. So it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're just doing a bit of an afternoon sesh. And yeah, hopefully we can get a couple stonker barras. But who knows, yeah. Probably chase a few sooties as well. I'm just going to use the pop frog in the afternoon, and I'll chuck a vibe on, and I got the Samaki 5" on as well, so I haven't changed, but we'll see how we go, so stay tuned. Apparently near the wall's pretty good, eh?
At times.
Turtle. Big turtle. Do you want to go hit up these banks over here? Oh! Is that a fish? I can't tell.
What was it?
That felt like a fish.
Tap?
Nah, it was like a fucking hit in a pool. Yeah, didn't feel like a barra hit. Like fucking boof. Like a tap. True. Yeah. Oh, you stupid thing. Hooked onto a rock, I think. I could just swim down and grab it, can't I?
Oh, Barra's gonna boof me up. Oh, boof me up. Refreshing, man.
Will you get some good catfish in here? Oh, what?
Really?
True.
Down the other side,
Ready. Yo! Oh, biggest fish you've ever seen! She's a monster.
Oh, fuck.
What a cutie. First fish in Tinaroo. What a beast. I thought you told me like, oh, when you feel a barra, it's like a little hit. And I felt it. I was like, that's a barra, bro.
You're right in bed.
Oh, I can't touch him. Yeah, this rod nearly buckled over. Here, you gotta take a photo of that, mate. So 1-0, Ash. Are you gonna get schooled again today?
Catfish.
Catfish, mate. Still a fish, eh? Or is that 0 -1.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say I was
Minus
that cat. I would have doubled it.
Oh, dude.
That was a bump.
That was a hit, man.
That was a bump. I saw that one.
Yeah, that was a definite hit. That pulled back. Oh, Ash, bro. Are you nervous? Oh, bro. Look at that. There's 2 of them, dude. See all them fish we see before probably weren't even fish. Now we're seeing fish, we know exactly what they look like. Big fucking barrows, that's pretty much it. Dude. So everyone, Ash is hooked up to a good fish. It's just coming on dark. Yeah, that's a good fish, dude. Chase it, and you'll be right. Just use the boat as much as you can, man. We've been seeing fish on the sounder for the whole time we've been here. We've been here well over an hour now. Oh, probably about an hour. This is the first fish. It's a good fish too. You got enough line on the reel, eh? Nice. I don't know how this net's gonna. Yeah, just let it run a bit, eh? I don't know how this net's gonna go. It's the first time it's had a decent barrel like this one. Yeah, I reckon it'd be 90, in the 90s, easy. It's a solid fish, man. You want me to move this rod down so in case you make it clean up. The light off the sound is giving you a bit of light there so I can see you. That's a good fish. He's like pulling a big bloody wheelbarrow through the water. Oh, you don't even say it, Ash. Oh, that's good though. I'm stoked that one of us has got a good fish. And you just wanted to leave too. Oh, nah, we're leaving, Ash.
It's always the last cast, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a good fish, man. Yeah. With the rod tip down, you can make it jump. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, he's seeing the boat now. Oh, you want to chase it?
I don't want to lose it.
Yeah, it's coming up now. Can't see, dude. Oh. Be harder trying to chase it with a Minn Kota than anything. This is gonna be a struggle. Oh, what's going on? Where is it? What's it doing? I can't see anything. Oh, there it is. Oh, no. Yeah, bring it. Yo! Heck yeah, dude! Oh man, yeah, that's awesome. Oh, bro, he's gonna break me net. Oh, oh man, he's ready. Dude. Holy shit, dude. I'm just trying to hold him on a good angle, bro.
Yeah, I want to take a photo.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, fuck. No, I don't want a photo. Nah, this is your fish, dude. Yeah, righto. Put it on my gram. Bro, how do you even hold these fish? Ah! Yeah, wait up. I'm trying to grab its belly, bro. It's like near impossible. Wait up. Wait. I haven't held a fish like this before. Seriously, bro. This is like the most awkwardest thing to hold, man. Here, wait up.
Go on.
Fuck,
I can't even take a little photo.
wait up. Getting a bit of light from the...
Big fish or not?
Yeah, bro.